I haven't really what's under these, but a lot of them have popped up to the top because we didn't test these up, though. Oh yeah, just once, didn't we? This bed was he's building up this bed, doesn't it?
Yeah. Here we go. That one is the green, aren't they?
Try that one there, Henry. Wood.
This one?
Yeah.
Have we got that one?
Oh, that one, yeah. 1989. That's what they're about. Them's better underground, aren't they?
Yeah.
I might have two spuds, is it?
Simply lovely.
Here, what's this? Eat like cherry here. Just see what
Green, oh.
Oh, it's green. Shit. And what's them one drop down? Yeah, they're alright, haven't they?
Yeah.
Just them what's on top, what's gone green. But they won't do anywhere.
Yeah.
Because they've been they're dry, it's sun, haven't they?
Alright.
We didn't really have that up, did we? Because
No.
just popped them in and scraped it up a bit.
We just put them in with the dibber, didn't we, then?
Yeah.
Chopped it down with dibber. We didn't dig a trench, did we, for them?
Not bad that though.
No.
Just having a trail on them. Oh well, they brought that soil up anyway.
That's it.
Plenty of room for that horse shit up going.
Oh, yes.
So
Don't remember putting that in.
Oh, it's one of them cylindrical things. Reverb. From Russia. Took that one out, took it there, didn't they?
Yeah.
That's not bad.
Right. Good soil.
Cracking soil.
It is now, isn't it? And Brett is up.
Oh well, we know they're there, so we can leave them in for a bit.
Yeah, it now for a bit, can't we? Yes.
Do we need them? We'll do them ones next, we're not today.
How come we need them?
That's what we need. Henry's just buried this peanut. All he's done, he's just buried pot in there. So these now should grow out, and then them flowers should go into soil here. So we'll see how them go on now. And we'll go and have a brew.
Few tomatoes. Action.
Action speaks louder than words. Right, you know. I'll leave you with it, I'll see you in a bit. Don't know that over, either. Here, come here, Will. Don't know, come on. Get this one.
Go on, lad. Heavy. Oh dear. You want another bag in a bit, Mick? You want another bag in a bit? Get full now, this one. Aye. Get it. All in that one. All in that one.
What?
Tomato. Two of them here, we all them here.
We've got some afters.
Empty there again.
Yeah, them little bugs, aren't they?
I don't know again, no, maybe tomatoes.
I'll get some of that.
I better leave this one then, haven't
What?
I better leave this one then, haven't I?
Plenty, isn't there? Take what you want, I'm only taking a few because have one of them on the butters after.
Right.
That's
Right.
that one. Don't matter about that one. They're tasting.
Right. Lovely job there.
There it is, there's loads on this side anyway.
Isn't there? That's about me on that one. Now what we're trapped, isn't it, that?
That beast.
I got about that.
I'll get them off it tomorrow, but give them a chance.
So let's get
The
you
sun
in
this
there.
week, innit?
I reckon so, don't they?
Oh, please, we've got a lot of happening this week.
Yeah.
No sweet corns would bounce off just go nice and warm.
Well, I'm not looking, really. Some of these have to,
Yeah. You know, I've just been looking, even Tingy's got some of them in his breed, like Barry. I don't know where they've all come from there.
I just think, yeah, I'm just touching them when they're coming off.
Yeah. Alright, like, a bit of a, not a sweet, is it?
No. Alright, good.
These are just falling off, are they?
Yeah. What move, what thing? Oh, something called the greenness in the road, yeah, didn't there?
Yeah. Reddish ones off and some more.
Look at a little bit now, it'll you'll be alright, shouldn't they?
Bumper crop.
I'll just cut that one off there.
Yeah, just cut that off, eh?
And just leave that as it is, t'other one. Just leave t'other one as it is, because there's a few more on yet. I'll just leave this one. Hey. Yeah, there.
Yeah, there's one dropped at him.
And I've just seen it. Oh, and another.
Whoa. Everybody bangs on about some gold on that internet.
I know that. No, Tony was on yesterday. Like that.
That's some gold.
Yeah. Oh, I love these sungold. Favourite tomato, he says. And the next thing he's eating a bean. And he's eating some mint. All sorts. Yeah. Ooh, oh, the other one's turning as well, isn't it? Yeah. Turning as well, isn't it?
Neat.
Lovely.
Tomatoes done.
Come on.
So it's Sunday the, what date is it?
No.
Sunday the 9th of, what month?
No.
What month?
No.
Sunday the 9th of the 9th. Yeah, and it's still 2020, believe it or not. Henry's just going to measure this pumpkin because it's grown before our eyes. We've just cut that little one off, bit the bullet and cut it off.
Oh, the hell is heavy.
Yeah, it'll be heavier when it's got that gold cup on it. But hell, it's 2 foot 3 inch.
2 foot 4 inches.
2 foot 4.
2 foot 3.
2 foot 3 inch.
Yeah.
What the hell?
It's not. And it's not gone on a thing anyway. On a leaf, has it?
No. Sweet. See, pretty flexible that. You can throw it about a bit. Yeah, it's alright that. It'll taste the pumpkin, that juice. Suits you in there, you don't get a bunk in there.
I know.
Camp out.
It's house for me, isn't it? Little willow.
2 foot 3 inch on the 9th of the 9th tonight. We'll record that and check that. You'll be texting me tomorrow while I'm at work. It's 2 foot 9 inch.
I'll make it again tomorrow.
It'll be a beat, that.
Yeah.
It's a contender, that one.
Okay, the drink.
The drink, yeah, I'll just cut that one off because it started going yellow and soft. Proper, you see it? So, it was wasting away anyway. Well, that one's not. Boomer, 2 foot. Pumpkin's 2 foot round already, Joe. Pumpkin, 2 foot round already. Oh, he's let himself down there now. He's let. Oh, he's showing him his true colours now. Uncle Joe from Mexico. Didn't know I was filming then. I went here, it was 2 foot round now then. Went like that. Done him. Showing his true colours there. Well, the fan base will be dropping off now.
That's a garden inspector, that.
Oh, Ken's here now. Oh. Yeah, I'll turn this camera off. Don't want to break my lens.
They'll not be coming here Thursday morning, though, wait for sausage.
Mark, it depends if I've. Don't know what time I'll be finishing.
Oh.
Oh.
We can always leave it till Friday, no come.
Yeah, definitely be on Friday. So we've just cut this thingy off before we go. That was cutting in. There was 2 ties on that. It was cutting into there, so we put a piece of string on there, but it was 2 thingies. So what we've done is just put another cane there and just put a cable tie around, so it's not touching plant. So it can move about still, because it's 8 foot?
8 foot.
8 foot, we just measured it. It's just started turning at the top. So, yeah. Well, luckily enough, it's pointing straight up there to committee. Committee. It's got a pair of fingers on that when it opens up.
And then one.
Yeah,
You lifted love up.
that's the one. Right, we're off. Bags of tomatoes.
Loads of them. Look at them.
Oh, loads. Right, big bag each, and there's loads left on for
Which are you taking?
whichever, don't matter. No, I don't want a big bag, I want a few, me. Got some.
This one?
Yeah, I don't know. You'll be filling them up all week, them anyway, because they need coming off.
Yeah.
Get them aside, to a storm. Right, battery's going on this, so we're going. Set her eye, Herbie.
From Ken's thing, yeah.
See you later.
Ken's shop, Sundays.
Yeah.
Can't sell them for us.
No, we want all our money. See you in a bit.